Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete a Steam group. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your username. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Groups. This will take you to a page showing all the groups you're part of or managing. Now, here's something really important you need to know before we go any further. Steam doesn't actually provide a standard delete group button like you might expect. If you're the owner of the group, the closest option available is to remove all members, set the group to closed, and then leave it yourself. This essentially makes the group inactive and inaccessible to others, which is the next best thing to deleting it entirely. To get started with this process, look at the right panel of your screen and click on Visit Admin Page. This will open up the administrative settings for your group where you have full control over members and permissions. From here, you'll be able to manage everything related to the group. Next, in the right panel again, click on Manage Group Members. This section displays everyone who's currently part of your group. Now comes the manual part. You'll need to remove or kick all your members one by one. To do this, simply click the X button that appears right beside each member's name. Go through the entire list and remove everyone until no members remain in the group except yourself. Once you've cleared out all the members, it's time to adjust the group's privacy settings. In the right panel, click on Edit Group Permissions. This brings up various options that control who can join and interact with your group. At the top of this page, look for Group Type. Select Closed to restrict access so that users must be invited by a member with permission to invite. This ensures no one can randomly join or discover the group anymore. After making this selection, click Save Changes to apply the new settings. Now that you've removed all members and set the group to closed, it's time to complete the final step and leave the group yourself. Head back to the upper left corner, click your username again, and select Groups. In the right panel, you'll see an option that says Leave Group. Click on it, and you'll officially exit the group. And that's it. You've successfully made your Steam group inactive by removing all members, closing it to new joiners, and leaving it yourself. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.